Today we'll be unboxing this Gerber I'm not sure what that says, mini, dyslexic, don't take the piss, clip folding knife by Gerber, genuine. Here's the box. Here's the actual thing of it. So let's get into it. We'll use the new knife from the last video. Here, the angular arms seatbelt cutter. Very nice. Still really stiff because it's brand new, but really good. So cuts through everything like butter. If I cut through it properly. So slurs in there. Right there on the edge. Unstoppable is a promise to keep going. It's pretty cool how I've put that in there. We have the genuine instruction thing. GG, we won't need. Keep fresh. And yeah, wow. It's pretty nice. Should we see if we can actually use this knife to cut through it? If I can open it, because it is still brand new. This might actually... Jesus. There we go. Probably could do this so much better, but hey, sorry about that. Right. Here we go. Here it is. Little, oh, very nice in the silver. Missing bits, which looks really nice. Gerber logo, like that, with the pocket clip. That feels really sturdy right there. If we compare it to this one, size difference. And I don't know what the name of this other one is. Got it from a very dodgy shop, but for fair length, it's very small. This one's literally falling apart, so I got these ones. So, yep, here we go. This is, test it on this. Yep, very effective. Well, that's a few pages thick. Nice little paper opener, or what I'm going to be using for an unboxing knife. Unless it gets really big, then it'll be to the big boy. Yeah, there's that. Same sort of push and push down. Very stiff. Yeah. It does have what I've seen quite a few knife guys get irritated with, is a plastic washer. I didn't actually see what this one was. Oh, this one's plastic as well. But still, a very nice knife.